Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection with golden zari work. Here we have a beautiful parrot green color saree, ever lovely, excellent color, bright combination, beautiful color it is, with the golden zari square shaped buttas. Very elegantly the buttas are crafted with a dual border design. You can see a golden border as well as a pink border in both sides of the saree. A fine finish, beautiful saree in excellent color with a combination of Rani pink. Rani pink having big motif design in the pallu. It's a rich pallu with plain blouse piece in the same pallu color. Elegant combo, really attractive with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border design with very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a beautiful, attractive color combination saree. A pink, sweet pink color mixed with candy pink to get a beautiful and bright pink shade with mild golden tinge on it. You can see an orange tinge also with very elegant golden zari buttas, square shaped design. And we also have a dual border concept here, pink border as well as a golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. Fine weaving with red pallu. The pallu is a big motif design pallu with golden zari work. Rich one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very bright here. Complete saree is a bright combination with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border design sarees, very elegant, beautiful combination sarees here. The pastel combination here, you can see a green saree with mild pastel green. It is a pista green color with mild golden tinge on it. Very elegant one, beautiful color. And we have round shaped design buttas. Buttas are done using golden zari. It's having both geometrical pattern as well as a floral design. And we have dual border design. It's a pink border as well as golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. Fine, beautiful weaving with a contrast pallu. The pallu here is a Rani pink shade with big motif design weaving in the pallu design. And it is a perfect rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Contrast blouse piece for the body. Beautiful combination. It's a pastel versus dark and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border collection. Very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a beautiful saree, a very attractive combination. So, yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful combination here. A mild peach with gold combination. A very beautiful saree. You can see the yellow glow on the saree as well with pink tinge. And we have the golden zari buttas. Buttas are in round shape with both floral and geometric pattern, checks design. And we have a dual border design here. Pink border as well as a golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. A fine weaving beautiful saree with a Rani pink pallu. The candy pink with mild red tinge. It is giving a beautiful pallu color with beautiful design as well. The same pallu color blouse piece is given in the saree. Combination is very attractive, a colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border collection with very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a pastel shade saree, a pink color, very beautiful light baby pink shade with mild peach tinge. Very beautiful saree, light pastel color with golden zari weaving buttas. The buttas are in square shape, very elegantly it's been done. Very subtle, beautiful design. And we have dual border color, the pallu color border as well as a golden zari border is there in the saree and pallu is here, a beautiful red one with very elegant big design, motif design in the pallu. And we have pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is really beautiful, very different too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree. Double border concept, beautiful sarees and golden zari work weaving. Here we have a beautiful combination. Always demanded traditional combination it is. A mango yellow color saree, beautiful golden finish. Very elegant golden zari buttas also. It is a square shaped buttas in a very elegant weaving. You can see the details, very elegantly it's been weaved with the dual border design. The golden zari border as well as a dark orange border is given in the saree with a contrast pallu. The pallu is red here, deep maroonish red with big motif design weaving in the pallu. It's an elegant rich pallu with plain blouse piece in same color. Combination is a traditional one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful collection. Here we have a traditional combination color, yellow saree, turmeric yellow it is, with a combination of pink. Beautiful combo, ever lovely and ever demanded combination it is, with the round shaped buttas. Buttas having both the floral pattern as well as geometric weaving. You can see very elegant splittings in it. And we have a dual border concept here. Orange border as well as a golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. A fine finished beautiful saree with a Rani pink pallu. Big motif design in the pallu weaving with a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Very elegant combination. Always demanded traditional combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection. Here we have an excellent color, attractive pink shade color saree, mild peach tinge, and we have an elegant combination too. The saree have dual tone. You can see almost a candy pink is mixed with a sweet pink color. Very elegant one with mild orange glow on the saree with golden zari buttas, round shaped buttas here, dual border as well. We have a pink border as well as a deep golden zari border, and we have a combination of red here, very different. This is a very new and beautiful combo. Red pallu having big motif design weaving using golden zari with the same red blouse piece. Elegant one, very different combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border collection. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree, elegant light green color, a mild pista green and crimson half white mixed color it is. Really beautiful pastel shade for the pastel lovers with a round shaped buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done in a floral and geometric mixed pattern. And we also have a dual border. One is a mango yellow border, another one is the golden zari border here. Both sides of the saree we have the double border design running, and we also have a dual color for the pallu here, mango yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful shade with the golden butta work in the pallu also. And we have same pallu color plain blouse piece. It's a different and pastel mixed saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful sarees with an excellent design, completely a golden zari worked elegant sarees. Here we have a dual tone, beautiful color saree here. It's a brown mixed with gold shade. You can see a goldish rust color on the brown base. Very beautiful color. Light violet tinge is also there on the saree. Very elegantly it's been done with the square, circle shaped buttas. It's a geometric butta. Inside the butta you can see details, floral as well as geometric checks pattern. And we have a double border concept, gold zari border as well as the orange border is there in the both sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving with the pink, Rani pink color pallu. The pallu also have big motif designs in the golden zari, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Very elegant combination. The saree color is a rare and excellent combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees in a pastel shade color here. A very beautiful and different color it is. The saree is in a very elegant light green in a pastel shade it is. Beautiful grey and green mixed color. Very different one with square shaped buttas. The buttas are very elegantly done in Kanjivaram type weaving with very elegant square shade. Fine weaving with a dual border. We have a pink border as well as a golden zari border. And a contrast Rani pink shade, beautiful pallu. Pallus having big motifs. We also have golden zari work, rich pallu design, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Pastel body, and we have a bright combination pallu. Elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees with golden zari work. Here we have a very elegant green saree with mild blue tinge in it. Very beautiful goldish green. You can see the beautiful light blue tinge on it. Really pretty saree, pastel shade with a square shaped buttas. The buttas are in very beautiful Kanjivaram type weaving. A very elegant one. Completely golden zari worked buttas, and we have dual color border, golden zari border as well as a pink border in the both sides of the saree, and we have very elegant and contrast pallu. So deep Rani pink shade pallu with big motifs design in the pallu design, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. The combination is very pretty, attractive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border design, very elegant, golden zari worked, beautiful sarees, an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very elegant yellow shades saree, always demanded beautiful yellow with a square shaped buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done. You can see the details, beautiful floral and kanji type butta. And we have dual color border. We have a orange border as well as a golden zari border in both sides of the saree. Elegant weaving, color combination is also perfect. Here we have an attractive Rani pink pallu with big motif design in the weaving of the pallu, a rich pallu with plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is a beautiful combination. It is a traditional, always in demand color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection in golden zari work. Here we have a dual tone color saree. Green and blue is mixed here to get a very elegant sea blue and green mixed color. Very fine and beautiful shade it is with buttas that is in round shape. We have circles pattern which is having floral as well as a geometric weaving inside it. Very beautiful design with dual border design. Golden zari border as well as a pink border is there in the both sides of the saree with elegant deep red color. It's a chilli red pallu. Pallu is having beautiful big motif design weaving in the golden zari and plain pallu color blouse piece. Excellent combination, different combination too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Very elegant golden zari worked, beautiful sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very pretty parrot green shade color saree with mild gold tinge on it. Really beautiful parrot green, a perfect and elegant attractive green shades saree with very elegant, beautiful and round shaped buttas, both floral as well as a geometric checked pattern in the buttas. Finely weaved one with a double border concept. We have orange border, a rustic orange one with a golden zari border also. And we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. The pallu is having very pretty work, big buttas design in the pallu done using golden zari and same way the pallu color blouse piece is given here. Excellent, pretty, always demanded elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection with golden zari work. Here we have a always demanded beautiful and regular combination saree, yellow, beautiful dark goldish mango yellow color saree here with gold zari round shaped buttas. The buttas have both floral as well as geometric pattern inside. You can see the details of the buttas. Elegantly done with a orange and border and as a double border design, golden zari border as well as orange we have in the border, and we have a contrast pink color pallu. The pink pallu is very beautiful, sweet pink with mild orange tinge in it with a bigger shaped buttas in the pallu, and we have same color plain blouse piece. Very elegant combination, always demanded beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border collection. Very elegant color combinations. Here we have a beautiful goldish yellow color, mango yellow in a beautiful gold shade with very beautiful buttas. The buttas are golden zari ones and round shaped design with geometric as well as floral pattern. You can see the segments in the butta very elegantly. It's done using golden zari with a double border concept, little deeper shade orange given for the border along with the golden zari border here. Fine weaving, very elegant one with the red pallu. The pallu having big motif design weaving, beautiful pallu design with same pallu color, plain blouse piece. The combination is pretty and traditional one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Here we have a beautiful saree with golden zari work. The saree color is a light pink here, really beautiful light baby pink shade with beautiful round shaped buttas. Buttas have both floral as well as geometric design. Very beautifully weaved one with a double border design, deep pink border as well as a golden zari border in both sides of the saree with a very contrast red pallu. The red and pink combination is really different with the pallu having big motif design completely weaved using golden zari and same pallu color blouse piece. Really elegant combination it is with authentic silk mark.